Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the Pulsator on the Samsung washer. You'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The Pulsator is the wash plate at the bottom of the washer that agitates the clothes during the wash cycle. The most common issues with it are it cracking, the spline stripping out, the metal insert separating from the plastic, or mildew or mold buildup on the bottom. With the lid open, remove the Pulsator cap by inserting a flat blade screwdriver into this slot and prying out. Now, using a 10mm socket, remove this bolt. If the Pulsator starts to spin, hold it with your other hand. Next, insert a flat blade screwdriver into one of these three slots and lift up. With the Pulsator removed, inspect the splines on the metal insert on the Pulsator and the splines on the drive shaft of the clutch. If either of them are damaged or stripped, they should be replaced. We commonly see this metal insert shearing off and getting stuck on the drive shaft. If this happens, pull it off with the pliers, or if it's stuck, you may need to carefully cut it off with a tool such as a Dremel. If you have a bad Pulsator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the Pulsator, align it to the drive shaft and reinstall the bolt. Make sure to start the bolt by hand to avoid cross-threading. You may need to hold the Pulsator while tightening. Now, reinstall the Pulsator cap by aligning and snapping back in place. With everything put back together, test the washer out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.